Hey y'all, I told my friend Vicky that I would do a little dance for her today and do some cooking. So that's exactly what I'm getting ready to do. So y'all, stay tuned. Well, I'm back, and today we're gonna smoke a cabbage and ham. So let's get these ingredients all together and we'll get to it.
All right, I've got one head of cabbage here, and I've cored it, and I have a hole in there. You can make it whatever size you want. This is where we're going to put all of our ingredients. Now I've got about 2 tablespoons of butter, got some leftover ham, and I've got this rub. It's called That's Incredible, and it's made by Heaven Made Products. Alright, the next thing we're going to do is put this rub all over this cabbage. Make sure we cover the whole thing really good. Then in goes our butter, just like this, and then our ham. Make sure we stuff that hole full of ham. Now it's ready to be wrapped in aluminum foil.
We're going to put this cabbage right there, and also took a whole sweet onion with some more of that Heaven Made Products, That's Incredible, and some butter, and we're going to put that on there too. Now I've got some charcoal and a little bit of hickory wood in there, so we'll leave this in there for probably about 2 hours at a temperature between 280 300. We'll check back in a couple hours and it should be done. Now I'm going to indulge in a little Sierra Nevada. Let's see, what is that? That is a Vienna style lager, 5.3 ABV, alcohol by volume. So let's give this thing a try. Boy, that is good. I like it. All right, it's been on the smoker for about 2 hours. It's pretty tender. I'm gonna give this a try. That's really good. Give some of this onion a try. That's very good, folks. I want to give a shout out to 3 people that helped me on this. First one was Sal from the Root Boy Cooks. Thank you, Sal. I do appreciate that. And Kirby Q. He's got a great channel, and he helped me out a lot. And Tim Farmer. So if you get a chance, check these guys out. I'll put a link up in the corner up here. Thanks, guys. Well, listen, y'all, I appreciate you tuning in. All those subscribers, thank you for your support. And if you haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button. And if you like this video, click the like. Thumbs up. And if you'd like to leave a comment, scroll all the way down and leave a comment. And remember, folks, don't take this day for granted, because when it's gone, it's gone. Cheers, y'all.